How to make someone a moderator on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch our Discord application. Then go to the server. After that, tap on your server. Now go to settings. Scroll down and then in this user management section, go to roles. Now tap on the plus icon and then create a new role. In this role name, simply type moderator. Now create it. After that, set up permissions for moderator. Select moderator and then select the people that you want to make moderator. Then tap on finish and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.